How to turn on or turn off hold to speak predictions for spoken content on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's return back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And from the home screen, tap on Settings. Now in the Settings page, we scroll down and tap on Accessibility. Next, scroll down, then tap on Spoken Content. From here, we scroll down and then tap on Typing Feedback. Then we go down to the last option and tap on Hold to speak predictions. Tap on the toggle button to turn it on or switch it off. And here it says that when typing predictions are enabled, tap and hold on each word to hear it spoken. And finally, you can tap on the back key to go back to the previous screen or swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.